Wow, what is going on with Games Workshop's share price? It shot up yesterday more than 10% and climbed a little bit further today. This is off the back of a trading update. Games Workshop has reported record sales and profits for the first 6 months of its financial year, which will run from June to the end of November. Now, there are three metrics I think are worth looking at. The first one is licensing sales. The second one is core sales, which is basically plastic, crack and paints. And the third one is profitability. Interestingly, licensing sales were down. They almost halved. In the same period last year, they were around £30.1 million, and this year it's going to be around £16 million. However, despite that, total sales are going to grow by about 15-16%, and this is because fundamentally Games Workshop is selling us more plastic crack. In the statement, Games Workshop points out that core sales are going to hit £310 million. That's £40 million higher than the same period last year. And profitability is going to be about £135 million of profit before tax, which again is up about £8 million on the same period last year. So this is nothing but good news for GW and for its shareholders. Phenomenally, what this share price increase means is that Games Workshop is now valued at more than £6 billion. At this rate, sales of plastic crack are going to outstrip sales of actual crack. What this means is you are all spending too much money on minis. None for you this Christmas. Cross them off your list. I'll tell you who will be having a great Christmas, and that is Games Workshop shareholders, because alongside this, the company has also announced another dividend. That is another payout from profits to shareholders. And fundamentally, this is why the share price keeps on rising. On the stock market, Games Workshop is a money-making machine. It makes lots of money for its investors, and that is why they absolutely love it. So will we, as consumers and customers, see that same generosity from Games Workshop? I think even if we all put it on our Christmas wish list, there is no chance that we're going to see a price freeze or a discount. Games Workshop is focused on making money for its shareholders, and it will continue to do so. So by all means, go out, buy your minis for Christmas, but don't expect anything else from Games Workshop on top of that.